How you doing, sports cards resellers and collectors alike? My name is Blake. I've been reselling sports cards part-time for about 2 years now. I've collected my whole life, but getting into reselling on eBay ever since they offered that cheap letter shipping option, the trackable letter, I've been selling a lot more base insert cards. Not the chase stuff, not the one-of-one, not the hobby box stuff, but cheap stuff. Relatively speaking, my average sale price on a card is about $6, and I'll do between $500 and about $1,000 a month in profit every month, depending on what time of year it is and the seasonality, because I do focus primarily on football and hockey cards. So we're going to go over some sales over the past week, and I think you're going to be kind of surprised at what these otherwise common cards sell for. And after you list a couple hundred cards here and there, and you get your inventory up to several thousand cards, you see some reliable, passive, more or less, income. Let's go. Who are new to the channel, well, first of all, please subscribe. But second of all, this is an eBay sold page. You can see how much the card sold for, when it was listed. I should probably block out the person's name, but I don't think it's going to be that revealing, and these are all pretty low-value item cards, so I'm not going to. But we will talk about these cards. First one is a 2008 Topps number 317 David Tyree Super Bowl helmet catch. This is a really cool card. I bet it's probably one of his most valuable base cards. He didn't really go on to have a huge career. I think in this game he only had one touchdown. I'm pretty sure it was him in Plaxico. Actually, on the back of the card, it says everyone's stats. So a cool card. Sold for $4.66 plus shipping. I do 99-cent shipping on all my cards because that takes into account the top loader, everything that makes it arrive securely, as well as any forthcoming increases in postage, because we all know that's going up. This card sold for $4.66 plus 99 cents shipping. And that's pretty good. I got it out of a collection. I bought probably 500 cards in a binder for $20, and this came out of that collection. Next card is a Khabib Panini Chronicles Rookies and Stars base rookie. I have had great luck with these. I bought probably 10, maybe less, maybe 6 or 8 of these retail blaster boxes at Target, opened them up, and made money out of every single blaster box. They had like chrome optic cards in there, or chrome variations, or prism cards, and because the UFC community of collectors and buyers is so big and there's so few releases, these sell very well. I sold a few at that full price of $4. This one sold for $2.67 plus $1 shipping, and I'm pretty sure that you're paying less than $1 per card. The only issue with these wrestling cards is some of the people just don't sell at all. So like some of the female fighters don't really sell very well, but the heavyweights and Khabib and Conor McGregor and even like Nate Diaz sells pretty good. Anybody who has a following, you can at least get $1 per card for, plus 99-cent shipping. Next up is a 21-22 Upper Deck Series Honor Roll Mikko Rantanen on the Avalanche card right there. This is an insert, superstar insert. They also had red, white, and blue superstar inserts, or honor roll inserts, I mean. This card, $2 plus shipping. Nothing fancy. I did sell a Trevor Zegras. I think we're going to see it later in this video, or it might have happened before the last week. Insert card for $25. The whole blaster box cost $25. So this is all not profit because there's fees and everything, but if I sell one more card out of that blaster box, which I think I already have, it's going to be profit. Here's a LaMelo rookie Panini Chronicles XR. I bought one of these blaster boxes. I don't like selling basketball cards because I don't know the players that well. I know LaMelo, obviously, but like with football, I know how much a Ryan Fitzpatrick card goes for. I know how much a Dan Marino card goes for. I know how much a Travis Kelce card goes for. With basketball, not so much really. $3 basically. I had it listed at $4.44. Just someone bought it with that discount. I did really well with Chronicles draft picks. I sold a bunch of Scotty Barnes when he was really popular to people in Canada for a lot of money. So I thought maybe the regular Chronicles would be as good as the draft picks, but it was not. I've only sold this card out of the entire one blaster box I bought, and it was listed about a week ago. So hopefully, I mean, I just saw on eBay today that 50 of these fat packs of Chronicles sold for like $4 a pack. So I think they produced too many, and there's not going to be a premium on these base cards for quite a while. Here's a cool card, Perrion Winfrey Auto Rookie, unlicensed. I don't like buying Leaf cards. I bought this for a video, an unboxing video that I have not posted yet because it's kind of boring. This came with a set of like 10 base cards, the same base cards. Then you get 2 autos. I got Perrion Winfrey and Darian Kennard, if I recall correctly. This one sold for $12.70 plus $1 shipping. I don't know anything about Perrion Winfrey. Besides him being a defensive lineman, I don't know if he's going to go in the top 10 in the first round or what. I know he's not going to go. I mean, I know he's not Thibodeau or Hutchinson, but beyond that, I haven't done my mock draft research yet. But I paid for about half the Pro Set blaster box. I think with that, you really are chasing QBs, and I didn't get any QBs, so I'll be happy if I can salvage $20 out of that entire set. Next up is a 2021 OPC Platinum Ilya Sorkin Marquee Rookie. I love this set so much. OPC Platinum, they look great. This is just a base insert rookie. They do a whole series of parallels. These blaster boxes only cost $20 at Target when they were in stock. So I definitely doubled or tripled my money off of all the blaster boxes I bought. This card specifically came from a collection. I didn't actually pull this, but you know, close enough. It isn't exactly a hard pull. I've noticed that goalie cards sell really well. I don't watch a lot of hockey. I watch more hockey than basketball, but mostly I'm watching professional football and golf. And I did not realize that goalies were so sought after by collectors. Here's a pretty basic card. I bought 10 mega boxes of 2021 Chronicles draft picks from Target when they dropped back almost a year ago now, a little less than a year ago. I sold so many of these cards. I ended up boosting my Jamar Chase, Jalen Waddle, Mac Jones, Zach Wilson, and Trey Lance prices once the season got going. And this card was listed at $7 for a long time. I sold the Select insert for $20. I sold tons of Jamar Chase. They're not even inserts really, but you know what I'm saying is how Chronicles does different like subsets of different cards. The Select sold really good. The Rated Rookie sold really good. The Spectre was the last like quote unquote premium card to sell, and I got a little over $5 for it. And those blaster boxes cost, what was it, $40 for 40 cards? So a really good deal. It might have been less than that. I don't have any around, so I can't check. But I know that they were not nearly as expensive as blaster boxes are now. Here's a Chronicles Ayo Dasunmu. Is that how you say his name? Rookie card. I've been selling a few of those. I have 3 of these in stock. One sold for $3.32 plus $1 shipping. I don't know if he's doing good. I think he plays... I forget who he plays for. I'm not even going to guess. You just tell me in the comments if you know. And I'm curious as to why. He must have had a few good games recently. I've sold a lot of Scotty Barnes cards. I've sold a lot of Moses Moody cards for some reason. As far as the Chronicles draft picks go, mostly what I've been selling are the Rated Rookie, the Optics, a few Rookies and Stars, Parallels obviously, and the Select subset. 2021 Josh Allen Daunris Elite Pink Parallel Base, $5.33 plus shipping. Pretty open and shut sale right here. Nothing special about it. I have been selling a bit more Josh Allen cards recently. For now, really, I feel like until the draft happens, we're kind of in a lull for NFL cards, so I'm happy to take this sale right now. 2021 Allure Red Rainbow Rookie, Igor Zamula, $6.36 plus $1 shipping. On the back of these cards, they say what the parallel variety is. I love these Allure cards too. The Upper Deck Allure and OPC Platinum are like my 2 favorite sets of cards, hands down. I love them. 2020 Fitzgerald Select Red Die Cut Premier. This card, I took an offer on this. It only sold for $2. But I bought it in a collection, so I paid probably a quarter for this card. I bought a whole bunch of Cardinals cards, so I have a whole bunch of Kurt Warner cards, a whole bunch of Fitzgerald cards. And I think those are the only two guys that I'm selling individually. The rest I just auctioned off a few months ago. It definitely paid for itself already, and it's just, you know, is $1 a lot of profit? No, it's not, but you do it a couple hundred times a month, and you're seeing thousands of dollars over the year. And I know it isn't passive income because I had to go pick this and list it out, but it's nice to just do work years ago, or this card was actually listed November 12th, 2021. And so I'm still seeing small, but still seeing profit, you know, months later. Chronicles. Did I say Chronicles? Panini Prism draft picks. Bought a bunch of these blaster boxes too. Rookie card, $3 plus shipping, a little more than that. Nothing too fancy. I have a lot of these saved. The guys that I pulled out to save out of this draft class, I pulled out a bunch of Mac Jones, a bunch of Trey Lance, and a bunch of Zach Wilson. I have zero faith in Trevor Lawrence or the Jaguars, more or less, as a group of players. And Davis Mills, I think he's going to be like maybe a career journeyman. I don't think he's going to last very long in Houston. He does seem okay. Kellen Mond hasn't touched the field yet. And am I forgetting some rookies from that draft class? Well, I guess we'll see. We'll see. Yeah, here's the Trevor Zegras card I sold for $22 in a best offer, plus economy shipping, aka first class mail. This card on auction goes for about $5 or $10. Buy it now, about $25. He has some pretty cool goals. I saw a highlight of him doing like a lacrosse style goal, and this card sold that same day. You know, this is the red parallel version of the rookie class card, not the young guns, but still there is a premium on these. So happy to make the money. I paid $25, I believe, for this blaster box at Target, and I like opening those cards, although the base cards have chipping on the back on pretty much all of them. So kind of a poorly made base set. 2018-19 SP Authentics, Henrik Borgstrom rookie auto, $13.37 plus 99 cents. This came in a retail pack that I found underneath one of the display shelves at Meijer. I paid $5 for the pack. I've sold 2 of the base cards and now this, so I made about $20 probably off of a $5 pack. Again, pretty negligible, but it adds up. Here's a Daunris Elite Trevor Lawrence rookie series card. $15. Well, a little less than that. $14 including shipping. $14.20 or $14.36. I don't think he's going to be good. Everyone might disagree with me, but I think he's going to be more or less a bust and kind of have the same career path as like Sam Darnold. So I'm happy to get that kind of money for this card, and this came either a collection buy or a hanger box. Another Allure card, Connor McDavid, $5, City Selly, just a pretty common base insert, nothing special, not numbered, not a parallel, and so I'll take $5 plus shipping for that card any day of the week. It was only listed for about 4 or 5 days before it sold. Could I have gotten $7 for it? I think I actually had it listed at like $7.95, and the best offer was $5 plus shipping, and I took that because when you're doing this kind of like bulk singles, you really are just trying to get cash flow. You're not trying to hold out for the most money per card. 2016 Panini Absolute Fitzpatrick, $1.33 plus shipping for a guy who is going to be forgotten in 10 years, but right now he's like a beloved journeyman. This came out of a collection I bought. I had a whole bunch of, the whole reason I bought this is because he had 2016, 2017 Absolute cards in the collection. No Mahomes rookies, no big rookies, but still a lot of base cards. I pulled out a bunch of Tom Brady's that I'll sell for $5 or $10 a piece. And then this right here for a little over $2. Again, I broke even on just auctioning off the base cards locally. So any individuals I sell out of pretty much any set I buy, any collection I buy, are going to be profit. Same with this, Dan Marino 2018 Legends Series. Out of a collection, I paid a nickel or a dime for this card. Sold for $3.32 plus shipping. You know, easy, small profit, easy to ship. Easy to get good feedback. Finally, this is the only defensive player, NFL defensive player, isn't it? Roquan Smith, 2018 Green Parallel rookie, $4.48 plus shipping. Went to a buyer in Chicago, a collector of Bears. Another collection buyout, I paid a quarter or less than that for this card because there were a lot of parallels in the set. And again, I auctioned off the base cards. For this, I think I did not make all my money back on the base set. I think I paid like, or on the base collection, I mean. I think I paid $30 for about 1,000 cards. I pulled out the ones I could sell individually and sold the rest for about $20. But still, all the individuals have more than made up for that $10 difference. And that's the video. Thanks for watching. If you like, give it a thumbs up. Comment below with what you think, and I'll see you guys later.